What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I'm going to be continuing the series for the full stack engineering course. Today we're going to jump back to where we left off for a while, the aside elements. So the aside element is used to mark additional information that can enhance another element but isn't required in order to understand the main content. So this element can be used alongside other elements such as article, section, and then some common uses of the aside element are for bibliographies and notes, comments, pull quotes, sidebars, and additional information. So here's an example of the aside elements alongside the article. Okay, so the first World Series was played between Pittsburgh and Boston, blah, blah. And then you have the aside. It says, Babe Ruth once stated, heroes get remembered, but legends never die. As shown above, the information with the article is important context. Meanwhile, the information with the aside enhances the information in the article, but is not required in order to understand it. So let's go ahead and remove the div that has the aside right there. So yeah, we'll go ahead and remove this div right here, and we're gonna replace that with aside right there. So we're gonna go ahead and put aside, and then this div, we're gonna put aside right there, run it, and voila, that's basically what it is. So instead of using the div, you can just use the aside element, and it basically puts information, that you might need, but it's not really necessary, just extra information essentially. Then I'm gonna go ahead and explain figure and fig caption in the next video, but stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys have a great day. If you did find this helpful, please leave a comment down below and consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.